Hello and welcome to the tutorial Important Information for your Trade Fair Participation. My name is Bianca Stefan and I will accompany you through this tutorial today. Together we will look at the themes the fairgrounds, trade fair preparations, visitor marketing before and during the fair, your trade fair follow-up and sources of information to you. To start with, I would like to give you a short overview of the fairgrounds themselves in Nuremberg. The Insights X Fair occupies halls 1, 2 and new this year hall 3C, as marked here in orange on this plan. Entrance to the fair is via Eingang Mitte. Located in Eingang Mitte is also the fair management counter, where my colleagues and I will happily assist you personally with any questions you may have. If you choose to travel to the fair using public transport, the subway stop for line 1 is directly opposite Eingang Mitte. Again this year you can use the public transport free of charge to reach the fair site on fair days. Parking spaces for cars are signposted on site. A shuttle bus will run continuously between all stops daily. On the first 2 fair days there will be an overlapping with another fair, the Itza, who will also use the entrance Eingang Mitte. Here you can see the admission times for you as exhibitors. Should you require an early assembly, please be aware that this requires prior registration via email with Ms. Lipford and would be charged out at a cost of €250. Otherwise, the assembly may start on Monday the 7th of October from 7 a.m. onwards. From Tuesday 8th of October 6 p.m. onwards, you are only allowed to undertake decoration work on your own stand. The aisles must remain free to enable cleaning works to be done. During the fair, all our exhibitors may enter the fairgrounds from 7 a.m. Dismantling may begin Saturday 12th of October 5 p.m. and continues throughout to Sunday 13th of October 10 p.m. non-stop. Exhibitors' passes will be sent out automatically after you have paid your participation fee, but not before September. And again this year the exhibitor passes are also valid during assembly and dismantling times. During the Insights X there will be an after-hour event taking place, to which we warmly invite you. This after-hour event is for you, exhibitors, and for visitors, so you can relax together in a familiar atmosphere to finish the day together. But before we will see each other at the fair, we should take a step back and talk about your trade fair preparation first. To plan your preparation, we would like to assist you with an online fair calendar on our website under the topic Exhibitors. This way you can keep on top of things and don't miss a deadline. Whilst planning, I am sure you have logged yourself into our online service center many times before. However, I would like to take a look at a few key areas together with you today. You will become very familiar with the topic stands, technical, equipment and services, as it is here you book all your electrical supply, water and drainage and much more. The disposal charges you normally incur will this year again be covered by the waste disposal fee, €2 net per square meter stand area, for the assembly, dismantling and fair time. You simply take care of the production waste and fair stands. Additionally to planning your stand, you should also think about visitor marketing before the trade fair to get the most out of your fair participation. We have collated the most important services in an area called the Most Important Services in the Online Service Center for you, that include an area where you input your stand construction contact details. This will enable us to contact the right person during the assembly time on site, much easier to clear important queries. The basic needs for your fair participation in form of a checklist, which includes the path within the Online Service Center to the right place to book these. And last but not least, you will find the media shop from Neureuter Fair Media here for all your media entries. Why not make the most of the already obligatory marketing package components? Here you see the various parts which represent the basis of your visitor marketing. I will talk about the flat rate of invitation vouchers in a little more detail shortly, but first I would like to give you a few examples of the different marketing materials that I mentioned here in the second point. One of the marketing materials available to you is the free visitor flyer. It is available in 14 different languages and can be included in postal marketing to your customers. You can use the pre-printed standard version or personalize it. For more information about what best would suit your own marketing strategy, go to the Online Service Center and click on Marketing and Press and then on Visitor Flyer. An unlimited amount of invitation voucher codes, a flat rate, is available to you. This flat rate enables you to invite as many customers as you wish, without any additional cost. You could make use of the codes in your own visitor marketing projects. A first lot of voucher codes was sent to you via email in June already, and you can order as many more codes as you please in the Online Service Center. We also provide you with a guide on how to redeem a voucher code so that you can send it to your customers to assist them in generating their ticket for their code provided. Again, for the Insights X 2019, you can manage your voucher codes in your personal voucher administration area. Here you can look up any time which voucher code has been redeemed from which customer. You can contact your customer accordingly to make an appointment at your stand or follow up with those who have not yet been active. You can find your own personal voucher administration area in the Online Service Center under My Documents. After the fair, you can also see exactly who has used their ticket and visited Insights X. We offer you a separate tutorial to assist you in understanding and making the most of this voucher administration area. Another example of the different marketing materials available for free are the letter stickers. Use these bilingual stickers on your outgoing mail to advertise your participation and your stand location at Insights X. In the Online Service Center, you can find a template to download and print further copies yourself, or you can order them and we will send them to you. We would happily personalize them for you with hall and stand number if you wish, also at no cost. All of these different marketing materials you will find in the Online Service Center under Marketing and Press. You will also find here great support for your press work and further diverse marketing tools for you to download, or even a template for a record of discussion. In this very same section of the Online Service Center, you will also find the free of charge voucher booklet and its different entry possibilities and information. You could offer your visitors special fair discounts or giveaways here. Design your very own coupon and place it inside the voucher booklet for free. The voucher booklet will be available for download prior to the start of the fair and to some extent mailed out, whilst during the fair actively handed out to all fair visitors on site. Make use of the free of charge online banners as your digital reference to your fair participation at Insights X 2019 on your website, in your social network presence, your web blog, or even in your email signature. These can be personalized with your hall and stand number to guide visitors and your customers directly to your stand. We are also very happy to provide you with various formats of logos for you to download. And of course, there are also QR codes for you. On our website, you will find a generic one that simply links to our Insights X homepage, or alternatively, you may want to individualize your own QR code that links directly to your own online catalog entry. Another free of charge tool we can offer you are various checklists. These could help you in staying on top of your to-do lists for your fair preparation. One of these talks about visitor invitations and communication. To assist you in getting the most out of your fair participation as an exhibitor, we can offer you some helpful hints here that may be useful to stand out amongst other exhibitors. What can be done to get your customers to use their precious time for a fair visit? Offer an extra benefit that cannot be obtained anywhere else. A fair can be experienced with all your senses. Products can be touched and tested, and people meet people. Try to see things from your customer's side and tease them with partial information that makes them curious to see and hear more. Integrate personal aspects in your communication and spread the word across all channels. Last but not least, take advantage of all the media and services the Insights X has to offer. There are many different ways to draw attention to yourself on the fair site. We will go through just a few examples of this in visitor marketing during the trade fair. We offer advertising measures at the trade fair itself that may assist you on the grounds away from your own stand. For example, walking acts and individual advertising measures or product placements elsewhere on the fairground. We would be delighted to assist you in choosing what is right for you or which of your ideas can be realized. You can find all options, including their prices, in the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press. New at Insights X 2019 is the Inspiration Package. We will offer a newly created special area called Inspiration in the transition area between halls 1 and 3C, a guaranteed visitor magnet. Book an Inspiration Package to be seen in this special area with your new product. The package includes an entry in the Inspiration Guide, which features all product novelties of the special area Inspiration. The guide includes product pictures and descriptions and will be issued to journalists and distributed on-site at the fairgrounds to all visitors. An entry in this Inspiration Guide is only possible as part of the Inspiration Package. For more information, please visit our website. Also included in the package price of €250 is an electronic press box, a physical press box in our press center, and a product introduction in the online catalog. Your company logo will be used in the advertising measures used to promote the new special area, for example on posters around the grounds. Another more interactive method of attracting attention to you and your products outside of your stand could be a join-in activity or a workshop in the atelier, which is located in the Insights Arena. These are free of charge for all our exhibitors. Additionally to the join-in atelier, the Insights Arena also provides a comfortable lounge area with catering services for all your relaxed business conversations. The Insights X pursues the approach of getting visitors to interact and become actively involved in the fair. So that is why we would like to encourage all our exhibitors to follow our lead and not only get visitors involved in joining activities at the atelier in the Insights Arena, but also on your own stand. Here you have your own stage and there are no limits to your creativity. Publicize your offers in our online event calendar so as to communicate them. Enter your offer in the calendar via the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press and Advertising and Promotion. When the fair is over and you can book your success, the trade fair follow-up is vital. So as not to lose any of your contacts made during the fair, we offer you templates for a record of discussions to manage your leads more accurately. These you can also find in the online service center under the topic Marketing and Press under Customer Invitations. We will very happily act as a source of further information or orientation should you require assistance. Nicole Lipford, Anne-Marie Ten and myself will be here to assist you prior, during and after the fair with all your questions. Also remember all the helpful hints we have covered in this tutorial. I would like to finish with these useful links that could be handy when preparing your fair participation.